Hey, so I'm back with an unboxing of Snow Miku Nendoroid from 2017, and I got her specifically for one pose. So she comes with quite a few of accessory parts, and I'll be showing you some of her poses in a little bit. Her poses are very simple, so they're quick to do. She comes with an instruction manual, but it doesn't show any of her poses, so I just followed based on the box. She's very cute, and my favorite part about this Nendoroid is the way they connected her hair, where the way you position it, it would stay that way. So one of the poses is where it's kind of like she's gliding or flying, and then her hair can just stay up, and I think that's really cute. I'm not going to be showing this pose because I don't plan to put her in this position, but just the plastic music notes, they're not connected. You just have to take a tape to stick them together if you want to use it. So if you guessed this was my favorite pose, you're correct. And I think this is everyone's favorite pose. So she actually doesn't like sit on the cloud, she more so hovers, and she does need her base to support her. Her head, I noticed, also a little top heavy, so you kind of have to force it like forward. And with the SAR, while it is squishy, she doesn't hold it properly. You kind of just have to like gently place it there and make sure it doesn't fall off. But it's very cute.